Good morning, dear students of class 7th students. Today I am going to discuss the lesson number 8th, exercises and question answer. Lesson number 8th entitled From a Hamlet to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Students, first of all write down the word meaning and question from your textbook, page number 44. After that, you have to write down the question and answer. Write down question from book and answer from the screen. Your first question is, who was Abdul Kalam? What did he do as a young boy in order to add the family income? Answer is, Abdul Kalam was the 11th president of India. He was a well-known scientist also. As a young boy, he helped to distribute newspaper in order to add to the family income. Second answer, the third milestone of the Abdul Kalam's career was the nuclear test on May 11th and 13th, 1998. Indian scientists have now developed a very light material called carbon for the structure of the Agni missile. Now come to the third question. Third question is, Dr. Abdul Kalam's childhood was not an easy one. Do you agree with this statement? Dr. Kalam's childhood was not an easy one. Yes, we are agree with this statement. He belongs to a poor family. His father was a boat owner who had to rent out his boats to pay his son's school fee. Now come to the fourth answer. What are the four milestones in Dr. Kalam's career that he himself recalls? Which of these do you think gave him the greatest joy? The four milestones in Kalam's career that he himself recalls are: the first milestone, when he was given the opportunity to be the project director for India's first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3. The second milestone was when the Agni missile met its mission requirement in 1994. The third milestone was when the nuclear test held on May 11 and 13, 1998. Fourth milestone was when he used very light material named carbon in the calipers. The third milestone gave him the greatest joy. Now come to the fifth answer. Dr. Kalam has three visions for India. They are: the first vision is freedom, the second vision for India is development, the third vision is that he wants to see India stand up to the world. In the third vision, he personally helped to build it. Now come to the sixth question. Which of Dr. Kalam's three vision would you want to be part of? Why? So we want to be part of the third vision of Dr. Kalam's three vision for India, because we also realize that strength respects strength. We have to contribute to make our country a developed nation. After that, you have write down the you have choose the correct alternative and write down in your notebook. After that, done the true false statement. I have done it in the screen. Now come to the word power. Students, you have learned common noun and abstract noun in the grammar. Here you choose. Now draw a circle around each of the abstract noun below. Here you choose the abstract noun and circle them. I solve this and write down this in your notebook. From abstract noun, from the following words. Here are some words and you have to make abstract noun from these words, such as annoy से annoyance बनेगा abstract noun, improve से improvement बनेगा, young का youth, false का falseness, hate का hatred, agent का agency, delicate से delicacy, old का oldness, owner का ownership, coldness, free का freedom, high का height. ये जो सब मैंने न्यू वर्ड बनाए हैं ये सभी आपके abstract noun है. Arrange these words into groups of common and abstract noun. Here are some words in the box. Choose common noun and abstract noun and write them in separate columns. Thank you children. Goodbye.